Intense and unpredictable, the last season of Game of Thrones is almost here. Although Winterfell, Highgarden and King's Landing don't exist, we can still borrow some pretty nice quotes to use in our real life.
You know nothing, Jon Snow.
The best time to use it is when you're arguing with your girlfriend or boyfriend.
Lannister always pays his debts.
If someone steps on your foot in public transport, just look this person in the eyes and say this quote.
It doesn't matter what we want. Once we get it, then we want something else.
And that will help you to reduce your kids' birthday wish list by half.
A lion doesn't concern himself with the opinions of the sheep.
Use this one if you get a bad comment on social media or if you're being criticized publicly.
If you think this has a happy ending, you haven't been paying attention.
And that's the feeling when you're about to watch the last season of Game of Thrones. So who do you think will survive? Let us know in the comments below. It was Maria for Yappy Corporate. Stay tuned and stay with us.